Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about how to create an IAM policy. An IAM policy is an entity that is attached to an identity or resource to define their permissions. So let's get started. Open your AWS account and click on IAM. On the IAM homepage, click on Policies in the left panel and then click on Create Policy. Click on Service to select a service for which policy needs to be created. Search for a service in the search box, for example EC2, and select the service. You will get a list of permissions that can be assigned. Here select List and then click on Review Policy. Give a name to the policy, for example, and click on Create Policy. This policy now can be attached to a user to give only list permissions on EC2 service. We can follow the same steps we followed to attach a policy while creating a user to attach this policy. My policy EC2 describe instances has been created.